Hello, I am Painter Isse and I'm from Norway. I have been in the business for 9 years now. Okay, my two favorite things about the job. That must definitely be taking something old or broken and turning it into something new and fresh. And my second thing is, of course, being in the booth painting the cars. Okay, so some other painters I think you should check out and follow is Paint by Ron, Dragoon, and Autobody Barbie. What's my favorite tool? How can I choose? I love them all. Okay, so this is my absolute favorite guns for base and for clear. Okay, one tip. That must be that if something goes wrong in the booth, don't freak out. Just calm down, use some extra minutes, you will fix it and it will turn out great.